Excuse me in advance, everybody, for the quality of the camera. Bear with me until I get something better. But even through it all, what I'm called to do, what I'm used to do, what I'm meant to say, I will say. What's meant to be released will be released. Procrastination is no longer an option of my daily behavior. Moving along. There are particular people that I want to talk to on today. People who I have been a victim to many times in my life, and I'm sure many others have been victim to as well. But I'm not just speaking for the victims. I'm speaking to the victimizers who feel they don't do the very things I'm about to speak on. Add noise to the negative and pause for the positive. What do I mean by that? You can't celebrate me and elevate me, but you can berate me and humiliate me. You add volume to your voice when it's an opportunity to correct me, but have nothing to say when I'm making necessary corrections. When you see that I'm in error, you're so quick to point it out and make a public service announcement out of it. But when all is done right, you shrug, you tighten your lips, and you keep on walking. I can get 95 things correct out of 100. But the only time I hear your voice is when you speak on those 5 things that I do wrong. You won't help to keep me lifted when I'm already up, but you'll add to the kicks, the punches, and the stones thrown when I'm down. You would rather see me fall than to see me stand. You would rather see me struggle than to see me succeed. You would rather tell everyone the stories of my problems than to add voice to the moments of my prosperity. You're not here for what's good and what you consider boring. You're not here to bear witness to where I have strength and where I'm strong, but you'd rather pick and pray at where I'm weak. The negative Nancys, the Danny Dampers, those who would rather rain on your parade than to add to your sunshine. This is what I say to you on this morning. Stay silent when I stumble, just like you do when I stand victorious. Stay quiet when I'm caught in a scandal, just like you do when I'm caught in a moment of celebrating a monumental situation. Stay silent when I made an error, just like you do when I've done everything right, and you can give me my kudos and my pats on the back. Stay silent, just like you do when I come around after you've been barking for years, wondering where I'm at, wondering why I never show up, wondering why I'm never at your functions, wondering why at the cookouts I never have time for it, wondering why at the table when there's dinner I'm never a part of it. It's because you make such a huge deal of my absence and you slight my presence. The noise to the negative is old. The pause to the applause is old too. Someone that y'all are so used to catching in moments of setbacks, in moments of embarrassment, in moments of being treated like a nobody, can never say nothing when it's my time to shine. Can never say nothing when what I've done is just as grand as the one that you do only speak to in celebration. The one that you do only speak of when it's out of respect. I know that the saying is true after all that I've been through. Misery does love company. But I'm speaking for myself and everybody else that's used to going through what I do. Misery can't stay here anymore. There is no vacancy for your misery. There is no gather room for your gossip. There is no threshold for your trouble. Edify me or stay away from me. God bless.